Hey John, what's up? Okay, we are here with your antique Peking. You see here,
Yours is yours, mine is mine.
all this loose area is breaking. And here we're gonna do Jean Girard, overcast and Persian binding. And we fix the color inside as well. But most of the job is the holes. Thank you. Hey John, okay, we are here. We're fixing your Chinese Peking. This is the back of the rug. See, we rewoven from the back, but it's not done yet. You see here. After that, here as well, you see. And then we're gonna do overcast to reinforce it. And we're gonna shave it. Okay, thank you. We finished restoring this rug. We reweave it and we fix the edges. Thank you.